super learners. Today we're talking about something tiny, something sneaky, and something we can't even see. Germs.
Did somebody say germs? I don't see anything.
Oh, hello, Ruffington. That's because germs are so tiny you need a microscope to see them.
Wait, so they're invisible? That's sneaky.
Germs are teeny tiny living things that make us sick. They can cause colds, coughs, tummy aches, and sniffles. But guess what? We can stop them.
You can't see me. I'm Gus the Germ.
Ew, you look squishy.
I love when kids forget to wash their hands.
Oh, no you don't. Class, how do germs spread?
Shaking hands, not covering your cough or sneezes, sharing toys, sneezing in the air.
Great job.
I spread when kids shake hands, touch doorknobs, share toys, achoo, sneeze in the air.
That's not nice.
Class, show me how to sneeze safely.
Achoo!
Achoo!
No, not the elbow sneeze.
Right now, we're going to do 2 experiments. The first experiment is the black pepper and soap experiment, where we put black pepper in the water. You put your finger in, nothing happens. But when you put 1 drop of soap, the black pepper quickly moves away. That's because that's how germs react with soap. They are afraid of soap. So that's why it's very important to wash your hands so the germs are gone away.
Let's pretend that the black pepper are germs. Nothing happens. Wow! Did you see that, kids?
And the next thing is, we're going to do the experiment with the glitter. And it's called the glitter test. And it's going to teach you that it's important to wash your hands because germs travel from person-to-person contact. And also items in your everyday life that you touch. Things like styrofoam cups, doorknobs, and a light switch. So we're going to put some lotion on our hands and some red glitter. And then I'm going to touch these 3 items and I'm going to show you how germs travel. Let's get started.
Now let's pretend that the glitter are the germs.
And the second thing is, I'm going to touch the door handle. And now I'm going to touch the light switch. Going to sprinkle some glitter on my fingertips. Look at that. The germs travel everywhere. Look. Gus is everywhere.
That's right. I'm fast.
They are 3 germ stoppers. Class, how do we stop Gus?
Wash our hands.
Correct, class.
For how long?
20 seconds.
With what?
Soap and water.
That's right, with soap and water for 20 seconds. Even sing the ABCs while washing your hands.
Not soap. I don't like soap.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, QRSTUV.
Wait, is that Bubbles? I don't like Bubbles.
My ABCs.
Not the
Next
song.
time, won't you sing with me?
Number 2 is covering your cough or sneeze. Elbow sneeze. Number 3 is keep your hands off your face. No touchy. Wash, wash, wash your hands front and back and in between. Soap and water make us strong. Keep our bodies clean. Clean hands, cover your coughs, and don't touch your face.
We are the clean team.
That's right, Ruffington. We are the clean team.
Oh no, I'm shrinking. Okay. Maybe washing hands is a good idea.
Germs may be tiny, but we are powerful. When we keep things clean, we protect ourselves and our friends.
Are we germ fighters?
Yes! Germs don't win! Germs don't win!
I hope you all learned a lot about germs and how they spread and how to keep yourself clean. Thank you so much for tuning in to Mr. Zal's Classroom. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye-bye.